New from Optoma ProScene product line. Introducing the ZK1050 series 4K laser phosphor projector. The ZK1050 is the newest in laser technology from Optoma, featuring 4K UHD technology, 10,000 lumens of brightness, and a 300,000 to 1 dynamic contrast ratio with 2 million to 1 contrast ratio when extreme black is enabled. It also features a motorized interchangeable lens with 6 various lens options ranging from 0.85 to 10.18. Additionally, the laser phosphor technology allows for the ZK1050 light source to run for 30,000 hours in eco mode with 24/7 operation. The ZK1050 features a plus or minus 70% vertical lens shift and a plus or minus 30% horizontal lens shift, as well as a plus or minus 20 degrees of vertical and horizontal keystone correction. The ZK1050 is also loaded with tons of I/O connectivity, including but not limited to 2 HDMI 2.0, 1 DisplayPort, 1 HDMI out, 3D sync in and out, RJ45, RS232, and 3G SDI in and out. The ZK1050 is ideal for large venues, auditoriums, museums, houses of worship, and digital signage applications. For more information about the ZK1050 and more on new products from Optoma, please visit our website at optoma.com or contact us at the number listed below. Thank you.